Hello, my dear friends. It's the third day of my vacation, and today I decided to go to Moscow to ride a boat on Moscow River. But on my way from the village, I met a family from another Russian city, Ufa. They were on their way to VDNKH, and I was like, why not? So I got off the train and took the monorail. Let's enjoy the view from the monorail together. VDNKH is literally the exhibition of achievements of national economy. It was opened in 1939 for displaying the success and potential of the Soviet agricultural industry. Now it's the largest exhibition center, museum, and amusement park in the world. Also, here's my goal for today. It's the Sun of Moscow. It's the highest Ferris wheel in Europe. Its height is 140 meters. They started building it in November 2020. When I heard about it in 2021, I was like, wow, I will definitely ride it. And my dream came true. The whole ride takes 18 minutes 40 seconds. Of course, if it doesn't get stuck. Sometimes it happens. During the ride, you can see a view up to 50 kilometers. I really enjoyed that ride. Well, guys, It's really hot outdoors today, and after riding that Ferris wheel, I felt so tired, so exhausted, and I didn't know where to go. Actually, I planned to ride a boat, and I dreamed about it since being in Chelyabinsk. But the thing is, first, I rode a boat here in Moscow already in 2017, and second, VDNKH and that park where I can do it are located so far away from each other. I need to go through the whole Moscow, and it's so far away. It would take an hour, I think, but it will be time to go to the village soon, and I can't let myself to lose an hour here in Moscow. So look what I decided to go. Not far from VDNKH there is the Ostankino Park, and there is Ostankino Pond as well. So I will go there because I was there already in 2019, but I was there at night. It was dark and I moved really fast because I was in a hurry. Now it's the time to enjoy that park, to enjoy those places, and let's see what I can find there. But you saw when I passed by that park on in Russian we say monorail. Later I will see which word in English it is. When I passed by there, it looked really nice. I like to see it. Now I am relaxing in an Italian cafe with mojito, non-alcohol of course, because I don't want to drink any alcohol drinks when it's hot. Also, I'm charging my phone, and maybe in 15 minutes I will go there. Sorry for my such tired look, but it's just the day.
In my golden heart, morning kiss more risk, it's too far. I felt like you were my home. Finally, I'm not alone. Dragonflies dancing in the air. Mama told me you have to live for peaks and thirst. I felt like you were my home. Finally, I'm not alone. Finally, I'm not alone. I learned one thing in life: you're darling who stays by your side. I want to hold you in my arms again. Just stay with me, not like just I'm not alone. Finally, I'm not alone. I learned one thing in life. Your darling who stays by your side. I want to hold you in my arms again. Just stay with me, not like just
Excuse me, how can I get to Ostankino Park? Oh, it's closed for renovation until 2025? Well, then it's a reason to get back to Moscow in 2 years.